हेलो गाइस, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो चलिए आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं रिक्शा पुलर के बारे में। टाइटल से देख के तो समझ ही गए होंगे। बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलिए हम लोग बात करते हैं। रिक्शा इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन ऑलमोस्ट इन एवरी टाउन। रिक्शा पुलर विथ हीज रिक्शा may be found in waiting or looking for passenger at public place, railway station, bus stop, movie place, hospital, hotel, parks, etc. are very common places where rickshaw puller can be able. The rickshaw puller is generally the most poor fellow. Most of the rickshaw puller are so poor that they do not have their own rickshaw. Generally, they hire rickshaw from a rich rickshaw owner. They have to pay a certain amount of the owner every day. Sometimes they earn too low. It become difficult for them to pay the full hire to the rickshaw owner. The earning of a rickshaw puller varies time to time. He earns more during day of marriage festival and on the other special occasions, but his average income is so low that he is always hand to mouth. The rickshaw puller generally come from a rural area. Due to this low income, he can't afford to get a room or rent in town, so he sleep generally on the road in his rickshaw. He eat the cheapest food in the simple hotel by the road. He lead hard life. He labor hard from morning to evening. Still his want remain unfulfilled. The rickshaw puller take out his rickshaw every day in all season. He does not care for the heavy rains, he scorching sun and the beating coin. All these situations are meaningless for him. Some of the rickshaw puller are addicted to drinking or some other bad habit. Due to addictions, they run their health and waste their hard earned money. Their bad habits causes quarreling and starvings in their family. Generally, the rickshaw puller are simple and submissive, but some are wicked and rough in their behaviors. They charge high from the passenger. Some wicked rickshaw puller tries sometimes to throw dust into the eyes of the passenger. They flee away with belongs to the passenger. But after all, the rickshaw puller is a very useful member of our society. He should be treated kindly. He should be paid reasonable remunerations. He serves use in all the sessions. He is able at all times. Sometimes he quitting our laughers as a coolie. Sometimes he carrying use on his rickshaw on a narrow path where other vehicles could not pass. He should not be looked down upon in our society. Word meaning: almost, प्यार, पब्लिक प्लेस सामाजिक स्थान, अवेलेबल मौजूद, ऑनर्ड मालिक, अर्निंग कमाई, ओकेशंस अवसर, अफोर्ड साहस करना, स्कॉचिंग झुलसाने वाला, बिटिंग काटना.